Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can screenshot a game in Steam. So you're going to go up here to the Steam button, go to settings, and go to in-game if you're not in-game. So as you can see, there is a screenshot shortcut key that you can change. For instance, you want the shortcut key to be this. Oops. Let's see. Maybe S is like the yeah, maybe not. When you're playing a game, you need the S button. Maybe this is your screenshot shortcut key, and you can also select your screenshot folder. Mine is currently on documents, and I'm just going to select that and enable all of this and select OK once you're done, so that when you're in game and you want to screenshot something, you're just going to press that shortcut key that you chose for your screenshot. So that is basically it. You're just going to do that later in game. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!